When I'm standing on top of the mountain in our territory, I feel so powerful, and I feel the prayers, the love, and the history of our people.
Everything that we have as Squamish people comes from the land. Our language, our spirituality, our customs. Definitely an energy to it that comes from the soil, from the trees, from the water.
And all we have to do is open our heart and mind and go and feel that power, feel that love, feel that energy. So all my life I've wanted to be a weaver. I was always looking for somebody to teach me how to weave. But there was that interruption in our culture for a long time when we didn't have weavers, and I couldn't find anybody until I was 40-ish. We were an overnight success. It only took like 20-something years.
It's more than just the techniques of weaving. It's about ways of being and seeing the world.
Passing on information that's meaningful.
We've done weaving designs on murals, buildings, reviving something that was put away all those decades ago now.
So the Black Tusk is where the Thunderbird roosted, the most powerful being that we had.
You know, the perfect time to develop the design based on that.
The significance of the Thunderbird being on the gondola is that it brings the energy back on the mountain and watching over all of us. It's important for people to understand the stories of this place.
It's a story about survival. It's about our First Nations people thriving. My Krashalmain is Squamish. It's a name put on me by my family elders.
I am Jakhemia Siam. That name comes from my ancestor, who was the chief of Sanok. My elders of my family asked me to be the spokesperson for the Squamish people.
So whatever energy I can leave on top of what our ancestors left is a privilege.